Guys, I am giving away 3 Visa gift cards for $200, $100, and $50. To find out how you can win, watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're going to do part 1 of some Coca-Cola life hacks. So let's get started. Man, I'm just glad I don't have long hair because problems like that can occur. For example, if you're in the bus and somebody decided to put a gum on the seat, you lean back and boom, your hair is stuck. Now you have 2 options, either cut it off or I guess use the Coca-Cola method. Let me know in the comments below if you think this is going to work or not. But let's try it out. As for obvious reasons that I don't have long hair, I will not be able to try it on myself, so I got the world's best person, the legend who has the best hair in the world. You know who that is? Boom! Rapunzel. So let's see if I'm able to get this gum out of Rapunzel's hair. So as you can see, the gum is pretty good stuck right now. It's not coming off. I really hope I can take this gum out of this doll's hair because I borrowed this from my niece. If this doesn't come off, she's probably going to cut my own hair off. So let's hope for the best. So first of all, it is definitely not coming off as easily as they showed it would. So I'm going to have it soaked in here for a while. So I'm going to check on this later. Alright, so while the Coca-Cola is doing its magic on the gum, let's see our next genius hack. This is actually a really interesting one. I'm not really sure if this one is going to work, so I looked it up online and it seems like the carbon dioxide gas in the soda, when it mixes with the water, it makes a carbonic acid which has a positive charge, and the rust on the metal known as the iron oxide has a negative charge. And when you put both of them together, it goes through a chemical reaction known as reduction, which should take the rust off the metal. So let's try it out. Alright, so as you can see, I have these 2 metal pieces right here. They are slightly rusty, so I'm going to dip them in this soda right here and I'm going to check it in interval. I'm going to check it after half an hour, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to leave it for overnight and check it tomorrow to see if it's going to come off or not. I'm going to have half of it under the Coca-Cola and half of it above, so we can definitely see if there was any changes. Wow! Ah, frick! It's definitely doing something. While I was trying to save this soda from spilling everywhere, I accidentally spilled my other soda can that was open, so now I have soda all over my floor. Everything is sticky and messy, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the night. But for now, I'm going to leaving this one on the side and check on it later. So this has been soaking for about half an hour right now. Let's try to take it out. Alright, I don't think I'm actually going to be able to take it off. The more I pull it, the more of a bigger mess it's getting. For some reason, you get gum stuck in your hair. You're going to be sitting with your head dipped in a Coke for about half an hour and it's still gonna be looking like this. So using Coca-Cola to take off gum off your hair, that's definitely not going to work. Even after half an hour, nothing happened. It just became a bigger mess. So we're gonna say this hack is busted. Alright, so it's been about half an hour to 45 minutes. Let's see if the Coca-Cola did anything on the rust. From the comparison from here to here, this side is a little bit clearer. I'm not really sure if that's because that part is wet, but this definitely has to run for 24 hours, so I'm going to leave it overnight and I'm going to check on it tomorrow to see how much rust actually remains. Alright, so it has been about 24 hours, so let's see if the Coke was able to take any of the rust out from the metal. Time for the big reveal. Alright, so as you can see, it did take some of the rust out. So the science was not wrong. As it said, the chemical reaction did go through reduction and some of the iron oxide did come out. So I think what happened was, while the carbonation was still in the soda, the chemical reaction was proceeding. But as the carbonation went away, the chemical reaction stopped. But this actually does not look anything like what they showed in their actual video. First of all, these metals are not all the way rusty. They are somewhat half rusty, so I was expecting all of it to come out completely. But as you can see from the match, it did not come out completely at all. It came out very slightly. In their video, it was completely gone from a red rusty looking metal to a silver nice plain brand new. So for that one, this hack is busted. So from the 2 hacks that we tried today, if you ever get gum stuck in your hair, unless there's another way, using Coca-Cola, that will definitely not work. You're going to get your hair all sticky and you're gonna waste your time. You will have to cut that part of the hair off eventually. So that was busted, and using the rust, it came out very slightly, which is very minimalistic. So I'm going to say that one was busted as well. For the giveaway, since a lot of you are from international countries, I'm not really sure if those gift cards is going to work in the other countries. So I'm planning to switching those gift cards for either a PlayStation Pro or a hoverboard. So let me know which one you like better, if you want the hoverboard or the PlayStation Pro, or if you want to keep it as the gift cards. Okay, so now that you've watched the whole video, as I trust you did, to enter for a chance to win those 3 Visa gift cards, first of all, you have to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, you're going to have to share this video in your Facebook and Instagram. Definitely don't forget to tag me. Here's my Facebook and here's my Instagram. Do not forget to like the Facebook and follow on the Instagram. To decide who will win which amount is completely up to you guys. For example, the person that is most active and share the video the most often has a higher chance of winning a higher amount. Also, be creative guys. Take a picture of yourself or record a small video talking about this channel. That will also increase your chance of winning and winning a higher amount. This contest will end when this channel reaches 1000 subscribers. So, best of luck guys. But thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Hackbuster family, and I really appreciate you giving your valuable time to watch my video, so thank you so much for that. If you like the video, make sure to press the thumbs up, definitely subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly when I post a video, and make sure to share with your friends and family so they know which life hack is real and which one is busted. To see a previous video, click right here. To see another video, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so much guys. Peace.